In this video, we're going to look at similar triangles. So similar triangles basically means one triangle is larger than the other triangle by a scale factor, and that the angles inside the triangle remain the same. So here we've got a question: ABC and triangle DEF are similar. So we need to find out what the scale factor is for this question. So the way I'm going to do that is say, right, so I know the larger length DE is 6 and the smaller length AB is 2. So I'm going to call the scale factor. So the scale factor is basically DE divided by AB. Now that is going to give me 6 over 2, which is 3. So it basically means that the bigger triangle is 3 times as large as the smaller triangle. So if I want to work out what DF is, DF is the larger length of AC. So I'm going to say whatever AC is, I'm going to multiply that answer by 3. So 3.4 times by 3. And we can work that out here. So we do 3.4 times by 3. That gives me 4 times 3 is 12. And 3 times 3 is 9 plus the 1 is 10. So we get 10.2. So the answer would be 10.2 centimeters. Then the question says to work out what BC is. So whenever we go from a larger triangle to a smaller triangle, it's decreasing. So we divide the value. So we could say BC is the smaller version of EF. So we're going to say EF divided by the scale factor of 3. So we're going to say 7.8 divided by 3. And we can divide that here. 3 divided by 7.8. So how many 3's going to 7, which is going to be 2. We've got 1 remainder. So we get 3 into 18 is 6. So we get 2.6. So we get the answer of BC being 2.6 centimeters. And that's how you do a question on similar triangles. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we've got two similar triangles, PQR and STU. They're similar triangles, and we need to work out the large length SU. So first of all, in a question like this, we need to work out what the scale factor is. So we're going to say scale factor is going to be ST divided by PQ, which is basically 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. That's the same as 1.5 or 1.5. So now to solve part A, to find SU, well, SU is the larger version of PR. So it's PR times 1.5. PR is 3.6. Times that by 1.5. We can do that on our calculator. So we can say 3.6 times 1.5. That gives me 5.4. So we get 5.4 centimeters. Now we want to work out QR. Now QR is the smaller version of TU. So if it's the smaller version, we're going to divide by the scale factor. So that's 3.9 divided by 1.5. So QR, just in our calculator, 3.9 divided by 1.5. And that gives me 2.6 centimeters.